Hello everyone and welcome back to the kitchen. I am back from my supermarket shopping and my hair cutting which you just saw a moment ago. And you might be wondering what I am going to do today. So today I am going to show you guys how to make a taco casserole. So this is an Italian dish. So you might see some Italian ingredients that I bought from the supermarket. So here are all the ingredients. You will need some vegetables. So for the vegetables, you can use anything. Any vegetable will do. But today I am using some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and some bell pepper. And remember to cut them very small so that you can fit them in your casserole pan or any of the thing you're putting your casserole in. You'll need some beef. I'm using 3 grams of beef, mince or ground beef. You can use ground or mince, both is okay. And you need some green onions, some garlic. And for the seasoning, this is one of the seasoning. This is what is called oyster sauce. It might sound weird, but this is the most favorite seasoning of Asia. You will also need this. This is actually pasta sauce, but you can use anything with it. This is actually not pasta sauce, it's actually Italian sauce. You can use it with any Italian dish. In this case, we're doing taco casserole. Tacos are actually not Italian, but casseroles are Italian, so I'm using this. Also, you'll need cheese. You can cut them into tiny little cubes. You'll need some barbecue sauce to put in your meat. And you'll need to put your casserole in. So you might recognize this as the cake pan I use for my cake video. This is multi-purpose, so you can put anything in this, and you can put this in the oven. Like, of course, you can put cake in the oven, so you can put this in the oven. And yes, you will need an oven for this. And lastly, you will need nacho chips. These are made in Australia, but I really like this. I actually eat this plain. I don't really need anything, so you will need this as well. And that's all the ingredients. So now you know all the ingredients. So I will show you how to make it all together. So first, you will need to put your oil in the pan and put your garlic. And when your garlic starts have that fragrance, you can put in your meat. So for the seasoning, you will need to put you can put any seasoning if you want. You can put taco seasoning, but in my case, I am using barbecue sauce, some oyster sauce, some fish sauce, and some salt. Just stir it up until it's all more dry and not watery. And then from that onward, just put in your Italian sauce and stir it up. So when the tomato sauce is reduced, it is a sign that it's done. Wow. I can't tell you how good this smells. Like, it just smells so nice. Like, the color is just perfect. It's not too watery. So now let's prep our casserole. So for the base of your casserole, you'll need the nachos. So just take a handful of the chips and crush them underneath. Get the crunchiness. And now our base is done. So once you put the chips in there, because the outside. And if you find like big pieces like this is just but it's fine. It's just fine. There's just a few thick bits in there. That's fine. And also my favorite part is meat. So let's just add the meat. I'll just take all this. That was good. Get some bell peppers, just like sprinkle them on top. Doesn't be perfect, just make it look good. You want the vegetables to like fully submerge the meat so it won't be visible. Also remember to put the meat and the vegetables. First you put the chips, then you put the meat, then you put the vegetables, and then finally put the cheese. Because if you put the cheese with the meat, the cheese will be like melting into the meat and it won't be ideal. Let's add some cucumbers and spread. This looks really good. I really want it. I'm so really want it. And finally, let's put our cheese. Okay. That's good. Okay, so when everything is ready, you can take it to the oven. Wow, okay. So now it's done. And so when it's done, this cheese should melt all over your vegetables. So to top it off, let's put some green onions. And the green onions just make it taste more fresh, and you know, it makes it looks more put together. As usual, I'm gonna call my cousin to taste with me. Come here. So she's here again. So let's cut into it. Now let's taste it together. I'm so excited. It looks so nice. Mmm. Is it good?
Yes.
Mmm. You have lunch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.